I'm Brooklyn.
I'm London.
And I'm Milan.
Your Sister Squad. Welcome to our channel. Now today's video is a video about reactions. Today we're going to be reacting to different videos our parents have picked out for us. Now, to be honest, I'm a little scared because I said parents, which means mom and dad. And dad, I don't know what he picked out.
Alright, I'm scared too. We're going to be giving our honest reactions. So if these videos aren't funny or good, you're going to know.
You're going to know.
But before we get started, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Now let's get started.
Alright everybody, this first video is called Iguana vs. Snakes, Planet Earth. Seems like this is the nature video.
We're about to see some people fight.
Right.
Animals fight.
Not even animals, reptiles.
Who do you guys think is going to win?
Well, I mean, if they got iguana on there versus a snake, I'm pretty sure they're trying to say the iguana's gonna win.
Yeah,
so I'm team iguana.
Same.
Now I better not see no snake just go.
Right.
And now the snakes. This is the best feeding opportunity they will get all year.
Wait, how many? I think
Wait,
it's like
guys, I don't
7.
know if I'm team iguana because why there's so many snakes?
Yeah, but they're gonna make it seem like the snakes are wrong.
That's how you be walking around the house.
Excuse me? Yeah.
Notice how you guys be walking around the house.
On flat ground.
You always be running like that.
That's how you be running.
Nah.
But
So is he
others
flying?
are waiting
This
in
is an unfair fight.
Was it a snake get him?
Well, you got teammates?
Run, Eagle.
This is
Run.
unfair.
Run, Simba!
Lion, run.
Where did he?
They got different teammates.
Dang, bro.
No! Iguana, please. You guys, I don't think we're winning this one.
Another
He has
hatchling has its first glimpse of a dangerous world.
Oh, he's blending in.
Okay, is he blended in?
No, not him, but him.
Why is he flying?
This is like an action movie.
Right. Yo, I thought snakes be like by themselves. Why is there a whole herd of whole pack?
Don't snakes eat each other? Like, don't they eat their babies ever?
Right.
So why can't they just eat each other?
And
Like,
what
why
would
they
you do
try
with
to
a snake flying?
Right. This snake literally said,
Like, you guys are trying to get this when y'all got a whole dinner right with each other.
right. Last time I checked, snakes are not wolves. Like, why is there a whole pack of them? Like, this is the snake pack or something?
Snake.
A snake's eyes aren't very good, but they can detect movement. So if the hatchling keeps its nerve, it may just avoid
What's that
detection.
eyeball?
This is like a turtle. Period.
So is it like
Like,
blind or something?
They can't detect your movement.
I think they said they can't.
You know what it's giving? The Dominican challenge. Let's edit him with some Dominican music. The Dominican challenge music.
Right. You know those trends like, you can't see me from that movie. It's like the light trend. But, right. Like, lights are off, you can't see me. Or if they can't move, if I don't move, they can't see me. That's how they are right now.
You didn't just see all those snakes just come up in darkness?
Right. Running like.
It's even. It's even running like he.
Yo, you don't get caught like that. Oh.
Oh, we should go.
Anybody think about those snakes? Like, it's not even fair. It's 150 snakes over there.
Not even 50.
Right, like, how you want to let him?
I ain't see them. They came out like this.
Right, they said.
They said, come here, give me your hands. They said,
Right.
you know what he did?
Right, he got away.
Ran.
He ran. He fled. I thought you were going to say he flew.
He was running. You could not see the snake touch the ground. You saw this.
Right. But I don't even think that's what he's doing. They were not touching the ground. He was walking on air. And I don't.
I told you she looked like that. Go on. Hey, y'all, go floor.
I have got poison in my teeth.
Yes!
Bro, this is Mission Impossible.
Stop even me. No.
So you sat there and watched that whole thing?
Right. So you told me you did. And it's like a test or something.
Right. Is he gonna be new chief leader?
Yo. So you did a good luck kiss or something. Like, you just put his life at risk and you didn't help him at all. And you're like, oh, it's okay.
And then have the nerve to play the happy music at the end.
Right.
Like, half of his friends didn't.
No, so
Like,
I always wonder like where are the cameramen like during these
Right.
like what are they just recording like and they seem like they'd be so close up. Yeah, imagine if he was recording and the snakes were just like imagine this all just started. He was like, you know what? If we can't have the iguana, let's have
They have
them.
the camera set up for them.
Yeah, but I've seen one video and it was like lions. The people they were in the car had like a camera on it. They were just driving the car following behind the lions.
You go-
Next video.